here we are pulling up to the Village Hotel on the Biltmore estate on Christmas Eve 2022. The lobby looked beautiful, it was warm and cozy, and they even gave us a little gift to thank us for staying on Christmas. Ooh, this is pretty. Ooh, look, a nice little bench. Oh, we've got chicken pillows here. This is so nice. Look at the window seat. These are really high ceilings.
This is where I'm
These are, we've got the Bigelow shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, hand sanitizer. They're a pretty little display. There's a smart water here. There are some chocolates. And it comes with a little Christmas card. How sweet is that? Coffee station, which is super cute. They've got a couple of the wines up here in case you want them with your ice. And I don't know if you can see these prices here, but we've got $19.99 for the wine, $5 for the glasses each, and $6 for the wine opener. So these are what the glasses look like. Pretty simple. And then this is what the wine opener looks like. And then these are your coffee choices. Okay. With a little hair dryer, that's important. A smart fridge. Then they also gave us this. This is a complimentary popcorn blend.